Hey, it's Scott Young here. I hope you're doing well today. Thanks for joining me in this video. So someone told you you need to drop $1,000 or more on some affiliate marketing course, and you're like, yeah, right, I could learn all that on YouTube. Then you spend months and months trying to make money online, going through YouTube and blogs and such, and then you think, maybe they were onto something. So the question is, are affiliate marketing courses really worth it? The thing is, you could absolutely learn everything you need to know about affiliate marketing through YouTube and various blogs and such, but it would take you a long, long time to piece it all together. Even then, you might be missing some key piece of the puzzle that would actually make you successful as an affiliate marketer because you just didn't know exactly what you were looking for in that vast universe of YouTube and the blogosphere. Just like you can learn everything you need to know about biology or accounting on YouTube or by reading tons of books, but there's a reason that people go to college and university so that they can get the full scoop on these subjects and learn everything that they need to know to be successful in those fields. It's a little scary to drop $1,000 or $2,000 or more on an affiliate marketing course, yet people have no problem dropping $40,000 a year to go to college. Yet you can realistically make a six-figure income within a year of affiliate marketing. Whereas when you go to college or university, who knows what the job market will be like when you get out. In either case, what you're getting out of either an affiliate marketing course or college, let's say, both are good, is you're getting knowledge. And once you implement that knowledge, you have the potential to make a lot of money. Now, with affiliate marketing, you could spend months and months or even years kind of piecing it all together, figuring it out on your own, or you could spend a couple weeks on an affiliate marketing course digesting all the information and then start monetizing your business within a month. I spent a few years trying a bunch of different things. And in fact, my mentor spent 9 years and over $90,000 trying a bunch of different things without really making any money. But then he found the right course and he started to make a huge amount of money. And then I found my mentor's course and finally got on the path of making a six-figure income. A course is going to help you avoid a lot of the pitfalls and problems that people often make when they're new in affiliate marketing, as well as understanding the best and most effective methods that successful affiliate marketers have already developed. You don't need to reinvent the wheel. Another vital aspect is that a good affiliate marketing course is going to help you set your expectations of what it takes to succeed in this business. You might think that having a website with 10 or 20 blog posts or a YouTube channel with 5 to 20 videos is enough to start see the money rolling in. And a lot of people, when they don't actually see results from that, because it actually takes a lot more than that to build some momentum to make money. A lot of people are going to give up. They're like, man, I put a lot of work into making this content and I got it all out there and nothing's happening. So I give up. But a good affiliate marketing course, especially one that has some mentorship in it, they're going to help you set realistic expectations for your journey in this business so that you won't give up early. Best of all, if it's a legit affiliate marketing course, you're learning from someone who has actually succeeded in this. And as you model their success, your chances of succeeding are so much higher. I've been there, I've done that. And so I want to let you know about the #1 course that I recommend, and I'm putting a link in the description below this video. No pressure, totally up to you, but I think you'll really benefit from it. Take care.